Hi guys, so today I just wanted to quickly film a sort of reference video. I've done one on my current foundation routine, so I figured I would do one on my current brow routine so that I'm not having to put it into every tutorial. So you can just reference back, see how I do my brows. This is how I do them pretty much on the daily, unless it's a time where unless it's a day I don't have much time, in which case I just use a brow pencil really quickly, like this guy, the beautiful eyebrow sculpting pencil from number 7, which I only have a tiny little bit left of, poor little baby. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and if I change my brow routine for whatever reason, I will update this in the future, so enjoy. With the camera. Okay, so I think the camera's in a good position. I'm just going to quickly comb through my brows. The lighting may dip in and out because we're so close, it will mess with the white balance. But I'm just going to brush my brows, get all the powder out. And I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I use the shade Medium Brown. And I'm actually taking an eyeliner brush from Boots. It's just this little angle brush. It was super cheap. It's like less than £4 and it is perfect for brows. And I use the pomade just on the tail of my brow just to give it definition and a bit of structure, because personally my brow hairs they can get really long and they can get very unruly as well. So I use the pomade on the tails to give it shape, structure, and also to sort of glue down the hairs a little bit. I will say I find it a lot more difficult to brows on myself than other people, because when you're, turning to the side, like this eye's looking through my nose, whereas I can get a full 360 view of another person. So please don't judge me too harshly. And then in the center of my brow, I use a brow pencil. Sort of like this one. This is the beautiful eyebrow sculpting pencil from L'Oreal, from number 7. Although I do like the brow artist pencil from L'Oreal. It's a very nice sharpened pencil. It has pencil on one side and then it has wax on the other side. It's amazing, especially if you just want quickly done brows. And so I just use this through the front half of my brows, not because I'm trying to create an ombre effect, but the front of my brows don't need as much structure and taming. And I find if I use the pomade throughout the entire brow, it looks very fake and drawn on, and that just isn't a good look on me. And then I just go back with my foundation sponge just to get any bit of product that is catched, or caught I should say, has caught on like my facial little baby hairs. But as you can see, you can see like a before and after pretty much of how much of an impact doing your eyebrows will have on your face. I'm just going to use my eye brush to point. You will find on occasion when you're doing your brows, especially if, like me, your brows are in need of a bit of tending, your brow product can stray and catch on hairs that you don't mean it to. And this is the only time I advocate carving your eyebrows. Unless you are going for a very strong dramatic look, or if you're doing character stage makeup, I don't really recommend this for everyday makeup application. It can look very overdone very quickly. It takes a long time, and it's just a lot of unnecessary product. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my concealer and just tidying up a little bit. There we go. And just to make it, this is the other reason, if you do it on one side, you have to do it on the other side, just to make them match. If it's something you enjoy doing, then awesome, but I don't feel like it's a necessary step for everyone. Okay, so that's my eyebrows done. That is my mostly everyday eyebrow routine. On days where I don't have a lot of time, I will just go in with the brow pencil and just quickly fill them in. But as I say, I do mostly just focus the pomade just to give the tails a bit more structure because they are wild beasts. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful in some way. I'm sure there are better eyebrow tutorials out there, but like I say, my brows on me are not the same as brows I do on other people, but I will do future videos where I have a model come in and do brows on them, so you'll see other ways of doing them, because I have a lot of friends who have very non-existent eyebrows and they're very you know, it's a sensitive makeup area for them, so I think it would benefit them and it would benefit you guys if I were to do a demonstration on people who have all different kinds of eyebrows. So let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.